Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I'm replacing my visor right here. It's got this brown stuff all. I don't know what this is, but want to replace basically for a cosmetic reason, but you might want to replace yours if your lights stop working. When you turn it on, when you pop that open, that's supposed to turn the lights on, but sometimes they break. These are real easy. What we're going to do is come into here and get these Phillips out. Go ahead and save these, and now let's pop it out the side right here, and then right here this should come down. Be gentle, disconnect this little white connector just like that, and there's a little button on here that you push down, that little tab right there, and that'll disconnect it from here. So I got one from Toyota. Here's the part number. And here it is. Pretty much the same thing. You see I got a clear one right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is first plug this connector in, and then just pretty much put it in and put the screws in the bottom, and that should be it. So connect it first, and then you can make sure your lights work. Alright, so we're good on that. Now we're going to push the harness up, the wire harness, and then get this line up right here. Okay, so there's a metal tab right here, and the metal tab from the other one got stuck in there, so go ahead and pull this out. Try not to knock it inside. Be very careful taking it out. Okay, just get some like needle nose. Pull this out like that. Now this one will go right in that little hole. Okay, so I pushed the wire harness up and got it in the hole, and I connected right here. This will secure it. Now all we gotta do is put the screws back in. You don't gotta go mega tight, just get them in snug. Alright guys, and that's it. Again, you can make sure this works. We're all done here. Hope this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next video.